Are you tired of watching videos where the person goes, oh no, that's not it. Oh yeah, click on this. Yeah, me too. I don't do that. I clearly and succinctly show you in short, clear videos. And have you spent a day wading through crappy videos with no sense of order and really ended up just wasting a lot of time watching news blooper videos and not learning what you wanted to? Are you heading into your first full-time job after college and need to learn as quickly as possible the apps that businesses use? Maybe you're new to giving presentations, or you've been using PowerPoint but never expanded beyond the basics. Did you recently upgrade to a newer version and need to update your skills? This PowerPoint course I created for you will walk you through step by step, without the fluff, so you can learn what you need to know to create great slides and how to give a great presentation. You can learn from my experience. I've hosted and attended thousands of meetings over the years, in person, via WebEx, and telepresence, with teams located in Asia, Europe, South America, Canada, Mexico, and of course here in the US. I've worked at 2 global corporations and seen people struggle because software gets updated, but no real training is provided. As the father of 2 millennials and a centennial that have gone from college into the workplace, I see the gaps between what is taught and what's needed in the workplace. I've worked with and taught people of all ages, and my courses are designed with you in mind. I'll tell you what you need to do when the CXO says got it during your presentation. Do the wrong thing, and you're going to hurt your career. Don't miss that lesson. You'll learn important tips, and I'll give you a success checklist to use when you're creating a presentation to make sure your presentations, meetings, and slides are the best they can be. I'm not going to overwhelm you with an 8-hour course or a 20-page list of do's and don'ts because I value your time and want you to be successful. I use micro-learning techniques and have a clear path defined for you in a course you can complete at your convenience. And I'm here if you have any questions. Now let's make you a presentation rock star.